Welcome back to the Fruit Cup, everyone. We are playing some more Slime Rancher today. Let's check on the water slimes, see how they are doing. Very cute. Yeah, last time we got some honey hunter slimes. That's gonna be real nice. Are the Okokas ready yet? They are not. Every time I'm just about to leave, I always have to make more plorts. Grab the tabbies. I think last time, it's been a little bit because I've been a little bit sick, so I haven't had a chance to stock up on videos as much as I wanted to. I think we're going to go to, what is it, the moss blanket? Or we might just like go foraging for some more slimes. Oh shoot. Yeah. Okay. Let me actually check on my map because I'm very lost at the minute. So yeah, here's the moss blanket. I think we've gone all around there, but I want to find some more Gordos that'll give us access to this area, which I think is the Quantum, like Painted Hills area. Ooh, I think that's just a cut through point into the moss blanket. We could try to go over there. Let's check. Let us grab some. I heard chickens. Let's grab some fruit, just in case. Carrots aren't ready yet. Oh, there's a chicken. In case we see a kitty cat. Ooh, carrots. Carrots and hen-hens, oh my. Whoa, hen-hens. It's so fun to just watch them spawn from the ground. Hen-hens. Get into my vacuum. Okay. Kitty cat. More pogo fruits. Let's look on some map. Okay, so we gotta keep going up that way. Gordo. Oh, I wanna steal you. You can never have too many roostros until you do, unfortunately. Okay. Okay. I can't go over there. I wonder, can I cheat the system a little bit? Maybe. Oh, that's silly. I want to figure out how to do those. So I'm gonna... Oh, kitty cat. Oh, shoot. Ow. I just wanted the kitty cat. Ow. Ow. Oh, I got knocked out because of the angry... Oh, man. This is a bad start. Oh. Okay, I guess that's our friend from back home. Oh, man, okay. Let's see what this is. Mochi. Hunter and 4 pinks. So let's go get the pinks first. Well, looks like they're in a little bit of a food frenzy. And pink, pink, pink. Now we're gonna go grab one of our hunters. Make sure they got food. Don't want to make them all hungry and junk. Excuse. So, one, two, three, four. Oh, nice. I actually really wanted the mint mango for the hunter honeys. Oh, that's really good, actually. So we got heartbeats over here. I think I want to move the chickens back over into chicken land. This will just be grow the chickens area. So, coop purchase, spring grass, vitamizer. Did I do all that over here? Spring grass, vitamizer. Okay, stony hens. Okay. And I guess I will relocate all of the chickens. Okay. Grab all these heartbeats. Grab all the heartbeats. 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 We've got some more over here that went flying. Okay. Gotta make sure we fill up this little dude because it is all empty. And then we're gonna, oh, we can't add chickens here, but we can add chickens inside. Grab all of you. These guys do not, like, eat enough, I don't think. So we'll throw all of the extra stony hens in there. They can eat on their leisure. And then the okas. Make sure that they get all good. Okay, and hunt them into there. And then we're gonna go over here. Demolish plot. Coop. No, not coop. Garden. And then sprinkler, nutrient soil, and mint mango. Oh, that's a cute little tree. That was really fast how you grew like that. Okay, the only thing is the scare slime. What about you? Scare slime. So we're pretty good on that. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also throw some of that in there. They'll eat at their own leisure, which is fine. We're just going to re-up all of our money that we just spent on relocating. Oh my goodness. There's not a kitty rock allowed outside. Let me get you an air net. Jumping out. Unless I did that and then my bad. Okay. And then we're gonna grab the rest of these, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now we've got a little bit over 2K. Let's see if we have... I think I should just max these out, see if that gives me anything. How do I do the pulse wave? Star mail. Okay. Actually, have I ever... Oh! Oh, I forgot that this was a thing. Okay, let's go grab some money. We'll go and do the mochi thing eventually. Oh, here. Oh, that's an interesting kind of door. So you finally decided to show up. Since we're already running short on time, I'll get right to it. You're starting in one of my many estates at the edge of the Nimble Valley, which is the only known home to the very rare Quicksilver Slimes. And everything you see here is my property, which means that I alone profit from all the Quicksilver plorts that the Nimble Valley produces. Brilliant, I know. Harvesting Quicksilver plorts is very difficult, and only highly skilled pro ranchers like myself can manage it. But I'm extremely busy, since I've got a ranch to manage and a ton of the Miles tech business back on Earth to run. So I need you to get in there and do it for me. Naturally, you'll be compensated. We want you to be a happy little worker bee after all. Now, pay attention because I don't like to repeat myself. First, you'll notice that I've augmented that junker of a backpack you have with some cutting-edge Miles tech. This never leaves the valley, so don't get excited. This augment will activate using patented Miles tech anytime you try to enter the Nimble Valley. It'll swap out your vac tanks too, but don't worry, you won't lose the junk you had in there. Next, take the teleporter to the Nimble Valley and get to work collecting Quicksilver plorts. I'll explain things once you get there, but let me give you a quick rundown. The Quicksilver Slimes in the Nimble Valley lie dormant until you activate the generator to send out a pulse and get them moving. But this generator only works for so long, and then needs to recharge. Quicksilver Slimes eat electricity, and since they're super fast, the only way to get it to them is to blast them with a tasty spark shot from your backpack. But don't worry about actually collecting the plorts. I've got the valley rigged with Miles tech that will collect them for you. After the generator shuts down, head back and deposit the Quicksilver plorts here, and I'll be sure you get paid. Money talks, so for every 10 Quicksilver plorts you deposit, I'll give you a cut of the profits. Collect enough of them for me, and I'll give you an even bigger reward. We'll start with what I call Mochi's Extra Mile, which is me sometimes giving you the inside scoop on a more lucrative plort price. Just don't count on it all the time. We're not friends. Now, get out there and collect some Quicksilver plorts for me. And if you're feeling like you really know how to shake it, try the other teleporter to an even trickier part of the valley. Or don't, because you know it would be hopeless later. Okay. Mochi is kind of cute. So I need to collect 150 to get that lucrative thing. So every 10 plorts is 200 coins. So let's start this one. Okay. So, So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to just run? Bust through the relay rings? Okay. Oh! Okay, okay. I think I'm getting it. Maybe? Maybe not. Spark shot acquired. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Ooh. I just need to get better at aiming. That one's for me. Ooh. Woof. Ow. Oof. Okay. Gotta hit these little dudes. I'm just really bad at aiming. Yeah, I think she said that I don't have to worry about collecting them because they'll be collected for me. So I'm just gonna try to get these little guys as much as I can. And I think the rings give me extra time so I can keep doing this. Okay. So I've got 25 more seconds. Okay, I got one. Do I got any behind me? Ooh, where's one? Okay, we're just gonna spam as much as we can. Okay. Whew, I got 33. Now I just gotta figure out where to go. Oh, hey, there's a... Oh, I ran out of stamina. Okay. There's a thing up there that I want to check out. I made it. Let's see what's in here. Aww! I think that's the boom plorts. That's gonna be really cute. Okay, let's go back over here. Ooh. So I think we got 33 quicksilver. Ooh. Okay, so that gave me a little bit of money. That's pretty cool. Oh, and I can't really do anything here. There's nothing else. Oh, that's... I see. That's her ranch. That's really cute. Okay. Yeah. I think we should get some phosphor slimes. I think that would be really neat. It's almost the time for them. I forget where this goes to. Ooh, I really want that. Ooh, I think I found a new technique. Oh, yes. That's a sign for some phosphies. Ooh, up, up, up. Thank you. Ooh. Slime toy. Okay, so that's a little bit annoying, so I'm going to take this back home and I'll meet you there. Okay, we got our little slime toy home, and that will definitely help us whenever we grab ourselves some phosphor slimes, because they'll be like super happy, and that'll be really cute. I like to free range whenever they're in enclosed spaces, so like this space right here, I'm just gonna free range them, and I'll probably have all of these like plots and stuff full. It'll be a little bit of a mess, but oh, didn't know that that was a spot that I could go to, but it's blocked off. Okay. Let us gather ourselves some more money. I'm gonna do the plorts and I'll be back. Okay, so we got just a little bit over 2k with that. So let's see what other stuff we can get. Fence upgrades? Path upgrade. I think this is upgrading the farm a little bit. Oh, that's, yeah, see? If we got these cute little fences. Oh, I forgot about these little dudes. Whoop. That'll how to trip up the vacuum. And then I can also get water from that. Whoop. Stuck in the corner. Yeah, 3 seems to be my good ratio. I also want to prep. Get myself an incinerator and an ash trough. And then we're just gonna burn some pogo fruits because we get this like ash trough, and then we can have little ash guys if we ever get to there. Buck bagoo. I really like that there's like a lot of focus on chickens in this game because it gives it like a theme, and it's a little, I don't know, it's really silly to me. Let's grab all these heartbeats. We're also gonna have to check on the oka, make sure we got those. Just yank them straight from the ground, just like a potato. Okay, so okas, we're gonna put you in there. Make sure you've got plenty of food. Make sure you've got plenty of food. I might yank all these chickens out of here. I might have to stop producing chickens also because there's just so many chickens. At least these guys aren't trying to eat me anymore. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There's one missing. No. Is there one missing? Don't I have 4 of each? I might actually increase my lot, and I might change these guys out for something different. I'll just have to see what's on the docket. Let's pop this bad boy in here. Yeah, see, I want to get myself a crystal. I don't remember where crystals are. So, yeah, let me go put these chickens over here, give them... Well, I'll keep the hens on me, but I'll put the stony hens over here, maybe to live out their lives. Chicken. Oh, okay, pogo fruit's fine for now. And if I don't need it, I can always just throw them into the void. Gather up whatever. Okay. Ooh. Elder hen. Elder hen. Okay. So we got that. Is there any elderly hens? No. Okay. And then let us mosey on, I guess. We're gonna need to collect more stuff. So I will meet you in the moss blanket. So I actually found a bunch of phosphor slimes while I was out. So I'm gonna just drop them in here and hope that they stay in this like lower area to keep them happy. And it's really cute. They play with the toys and stuff if you have them out. So yeah, I think we're gonna buy some more of those whenever we get a chance to or find them. And let me shake some of these cubes down for them, and then we'll get some phosphor stuff. Okay, so Q-berry. Okay, so those should be good. Eventually they'll just like fall off the tree themselves. But for now I'm just gonna toss them over there, and I'll be back before the plorts despawn. Thanks everybody once again for joining me today on my video. Make sure you do all the YouTube stuff if you enjoyed it, and again, welcome to the Fruit Cup.